If you spend hours at a desk like I do, this might be the most underrated upgrade for your office setup. An ergonomic seat cushion that actually makes a difference. This cushion is made from high density memory sponge, which means it doesn't flatten or lose shape, even after long hours. It conforms to your body, giving consistent support all day long. No more sagging, no more shifting around trying to get comfy. What really makes this cushion stand out is the U-shaped ergonomic design. It guides your hips and spine into proper alignment. That means less pressure on your tailbone, less slouching, and real relief from back pain and fatigue. And check this out. The front edge is slightly sloped, which takes pressure off your thighs. It promotes better blood flow so your legs don't go numb or tired after hours of sitting. The cover? Totally removable and washable. Super easy to clean. And the non-slip base keeps it right where you put it. No sliding around, no readjusting every 5 minutes. If you sit for work, game, or even edit videos like I do, this cushion is a small change that makes a huge difference. Support your body, stay comfortable, sit smarter. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.